Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Genesys chain token. Now the Genesys chain token is being listed today, July 25th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Genesys chain. So technically it's not a token. It's a coin. It runs on its own blockchain, but on this channel we use token and coin interchangeably because so do a lot of web pages, and it gets confusing if I look and it says token and then I gotta think coin in my head. But technically it's a coin, just so you guys know. So Genesys chain obviously is a blockchain. Ticker symbol is GSYS. And you can find this token newly listed today, July 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to buy the GSYS coin, you could use that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. All you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GSYS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they call it Gchain for short, so you don't have to say Genesys chain or GSYS, so Gchain. Gchain is a blockchain configured under the proof of authority consensus and is designed to become a blockchain with a balance between security, scalability, speed, and development. Our goal is to be the leading blockchain for major league sports, entertainment, and enterprises who want to create a Web3 ecosystem where they can develop decentralized business experiences within a secure community powered by our network. Any developer interested in exploring the potential that Gchain offers has the opportunity to use the most decentralized POA network existing in the crypto market with 500 validator nodes that support consensus and decentralization of the network. Gchain is compatible with EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. It will provide the opportunity to create the best and most secure ecosystems developed with EVM technology, which provides 100% security and is compatible with Ethereum tools, making it simple and easy to build in a hassle-free CC2 environment. So Gchain is a fork of the Ethereum network. So it goes without saying the most of the mechanisms like the concepts, tools, binary tools, including documentation, are largely derived from Ethereum. Building on the EVM compatibility foundation, Gchain introduces a system of 33 validator nodes, which are called blue nodes, with staked proof of authority, POSA, consensus that supports shorter block time and lower fees. These will be the 33 node validators that will carry out the entire consensus of the network, plus 467 support nodes on the network, which are staking validators. In addition, double-sign detectors and other break logic to further ensure string security, stability, and finality in the blockchain. Gchain is self-sovereign and a decentralized blockchain that provides security and protection to the validators in the entire network. So Gchain is an EMV compliant, which enables all existing Ethereum tools with faster finality and super low transaction fees. The staked authority test brings decentralization and community participation, As a native currency, Gsys coin works for both the gas from the execution of the smart contract and tokens from the staking validators. So, if you want to learn about some of the lines I said, like the definitions of what they mean, like proof of authority, you can go over that. They have a bunch of info on their page here. In a nutshell, it says blocks are produced by a limited set of validators. Validators take turns producing blocks from the form of a POA, similar to Ethereum's click consensus engine, and a set of validators are chosen on and off based on the governance participation in Gchain. And then the consensus engine interacts with a set of system contracts to achieve a health bar revenue distribution and validator set renewal function. Now, if you want to read about the governance, basically you have voting power. You can read all about that on their paper as well. Talk about the validators in more depth too, if you want to learn about the 33 validators and then the other support validators as well. So Gsys coin is the native currency, which will run on Gchain in the exact same way that ETH runs on Ethereum, which means that Gsys can be used for gas payments, to invoke smart contracts or implement smart contracts, perform cross-chain operations, and then it talks about blockchain technology and then the logic behind blockchain technology. Block equals data plus hash of the previous block, yada yada yada, goes over all that type of stuff. So if you want to learn how to add Gchain to your wallet, you can check that out. They have a link to also the Gchain Explorer, the block explorer there. And they have a glossary, goes over hash, Genesys block, proceedings, gas rates, nodes. You can learn just what terms mean. They have info about NFT marketplaces, the genesis of Blue NFT collection. So they have different NFTs over here. Dynamic NFTs, Lotus evolutionary process, NFT emissions and benefits. Then they talk about, the Blue Lotus DAO, which is involved in this project here. And then they have a token for the Blue Lotus DAO, ticker symbol Blue G, the Blue Lotus governance token. You can learn all about that on the Genesys blockchain white paper. So you can find all the info at Genesys, but there's no S for some reason at the end, so it's basically Genesys blockchain.gitbook.io. You can find the link to that on their webpage, genesys.network. They have a Twitter, which you can find at Genesys Chain, and a Telegram at Genesys Network. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Genesys coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.